Alright, I shoveled a little bit of this earlier. You can barely see what I shoveled. Went to the garage there. I was going to try to dig that out so Karen can park up to the garage gate. I shoveled this out. A few minutes ago I walked right back out. Look at the snow. I had shoveled his car out, but it's pretty much buried. I shoveled this way here. It's getting covered again. And I need to shovel all the way from there to all the way past that gate, so Karen can get in and out as well as we can get going to from work. I shoveled that, and that's covered up now. That's my car. You can barely see it. It's covered up. And I need to shovel all the way out there, past that car out on the street. Actually, it's not on the street. The street's past that car. That's Karen's car buried. And I went out and looked. The street isn't shoveled either, so I don't know how we're going to get out and go to work. But all of this, I need to try to get out a shovel so I can get my car out for Saturday. It was snowing really heavily earlier. It's just a light snow now, but it's just gorgeous. That tree is a cedar tree. You can't even see it. It's completely buried. That tree broke down earlier in a storm last December, but it's just beautiful out. Just beautiful.